Happy Monday, my YouTube friends and family, and welcome back. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In today's video, I have a few healthcare jobs. Some of them do require being on the phone, but we have Instacart hiring somebody to review background checks, and they are paying anywhere from $22 to $25 an hour. We have Labcorp hiring. None of these jobs require any kind of college degree. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information you can need can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just always ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now, first up, we have a company called BillionToOne. They have 73 reviews from past and current employees, and they do come highly rated with an employee satisfaction rating at 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a patient billing associate. This is remote for the United States, and this is going to require some phone work. But they are really looking for somebody to help impact their account growth, retention, and revenue through daily interactions with their customers. So you are personally engaging with those customers in a positive and friendly manner. You're overseeing and responding to all the types of communication that come in. That might be phone, email, web inquiries from customers, and those customers are going to be like the doctors, the physician offices that are trying to get bills out the door for their patients. Or sometimes you might even actually talk to potential patients as well. So you're handling a variety of things, questions about technology, products, services, the cost and billing, and insurance coverage, maybe what insurance is accepted, things like that. So you are really going to be tasked with contacting patients through outbound calling and SMS, explaining to them the potential costs and address any billing concerns for the physician. So then you might talk to the physicians or medical personnel at doctors' offices to obtain any missing information that's pertinent to billing out these claims to insurance companies and getting that reimbursement in. No college degree is needed. They are looking for somebody who has 2 years of some kind of customer service, client-facing experience. So they really want somebody who has customer service in like a fast-paced environment. Somebody who has experience using Salesforce, can be very organized and be a fast learner. Now, pay is listed down at the bottom. They list a total compensation package of $67,350, but that base pay is only going to be $51,000 a year. So I'm not sure if that total compensation package is accounting for like insurance or benefits that they give you, or if it's like bonuses, things like that. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, next up, we have a company called Alma hiring. They have 138 reviews from those past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer experience associate. So this is going to be another one that requires phone work. It is customer service, but it is remote within the United States. So they're really looking for somebody to provide that customer service both through email and phone calls, just advising and guiding customers on how to best use Alma's services. So you're going to draft these professional emails and have effective phone conversations regarding questions, resolving concerns, providing solutions, just becoming that trusted subject matter expert on Alma's systems, product lines, and brand voice. So you're kind of acting as the professional investigator. So you are leveraging available information, job aids, and resources that are given to you to help find answers for the customers, addressing issues, managing the ticket responses, reopening tickets, just handling basically all the basic customer service. No college degree is needed for this one, just somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can be a problem solver, creative thinker, somebody who can be very highly organized, have great attention to detail, and somebody who's comfortable giving feedback and also receiving that constructive feedback, kind of putting it into action. So someone who's always willing to just learn and change and grow. Now, pay for this one is $23.50 an hour. Now, next up, as promised, we have Instacart hiring. Now, Instacart probably needs no introduction. They're like the grocery delivery service. I think now they've even ventured out into like other stores and other things. But they have a 7,700 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. They are looking for what they call a trust and safety compliance specialist, but they are looking for someone basically to do background checks and review background checks. So they're really looking for a dedicated background check compliance specialist to ensure the security, safety, and stability of the Instacart platform. So, of course, everyone that is either delivering groceries, working for Instacart, has to have a background check for all of their shoppers. So you're safeguarding the platform for the customers, the shoppers, and the company by reviewing and adjudicating those background checks with a meticulous attention to detail. You're combing through those background checks looking for every little thing. You're evaluating evidence on shoppers' appeals related to their background check suspension. So if shoppers are suspended for background checks, you're going to look at their complaints and kind of double check their background check, making sure they are accurately suspended. So you're investigating and resolving any external escalations promptly and effectively, just identifying background check issues, conducting those investigations, and processing any improvements. And these background checks are important because you don't want people with criminal histories or people who really are up to no good or not good people going to door to people's home delivering things for them. So Instacart is trying to ensure the safety of not only their shoppers, but their customers, everybody involved. No college degree is needed, just 1 to 2 years of a professional experience. Somebody who has great communication skills, somebody who can have a positive attitude, make critical decisions. So somebody who can kind of be a problem solver, a critical thinker, and a decision maker. And they do want somebody who is willing to work weekends and holidays. Now, pay is going to be dependent on your location, but for the purposes of this video, I just kind of took the salary of all other states, which is anywhere from $47,000 a year up to $52,000 a year. That's going to break down to anywhere between $22 an hour and $25 an hour. Now, next up, we have Labcorp hiring. Labcorp has 11,000 reviews from past and current employees and that overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a correspondence billing specialist remote for the United States. But they are just looking for somebody to process both internal and external client and patient correspondence to review and assist with determination of transfers, adjustments, and next actions for billing. So you're reviewing this correspondence, which is going to maybe be letters or things coming in, and it might be a request to send invoices, transfers, make adjustments on accounts, research, make claim or invoice updates in the billing system. So you're composing email communication to customers in a clear and professional manner. And then, of course, running status checks on large spreadsheets of invoice and claim correction files, verifying that all the updates have been completed in the system, that all the claims that needed to be corrected and billed back out to the insurance company to collect money have been done. So you're noting any missing information. So you're just following all of your approved SOPs. Again, no college degree is needed for this one either, just a high school diploma. But they do want somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of a patient billing or customer service healthcare billing. So they prefer somebody who's really worked in some kind of healthcare capacity in the past. Other than that, strong correspondence skills so you can kind of write and communicate with people, great organizational skills. Now, please note that the application window for this one closes tomorrow, June 17th. They are looking for somebody to work in the Eastern Standard Time Zone of 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours. And of course, because they are based in a lower paying state, they are paying anywhere from $15 to $17 an hour.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.